Before placing the transducers, it is recommended that you inform the patient what to expect from the evaluation. Explain that you're going to place the headphones over their ears and that they will hear a series of beeps or tones. Instruct the patient to respond to the tones even if they are very soft or far away, by either raising their hand or pressing the patient response button. Once the patient understands the process, place the transducers over the patient's ears, making sure that the headphones are centered over the ears. Make sure the headphone labeled R is over the right ear, and the headphone labeled L is over the left ear. If adjustments are needed, remove the headphones so the distance between the headband and the earphones can be adjusted either up or down, depending on the patient. When the transducers are properly placed, testing can begin. For insert phones, examine the ear canals for obstruction or excessive cerumen. Place the black straw from the foam ear tip completely onto the sound tubes. Roll the foam tip into the smallest diameter possible. Pull up and out on the outer ear and insert the ear tip well into the ear canal. Make sure the right and left inserts are inserted into the correct ear. Allow the foam to expand and acoustically seal the ear canal. Discard the ear tips after a single use.